What is going on, boys? As you can probably tell by the title of this video, we finally got the whole setup for the 360 cam. So I'm gonna go up to the Best Buy again and get some SD cards for this thing, because it didn't come with any SD cards. $550, and it doesn't come with an SD card or a spare battery or anything. It's just the camera and like a cord. Go up there and get some SD cards for this thing. Should be able to throw it right on, get some clips for you guys in this video. Can't wait to see what it's going to turn out like. Can't wait to hear the car from behind. That's going to be really cool, guys. I know there's like a wind reduction mod you can get for it, so it doesn't pick up on all this wind like my camera is probably right now. I might have to get that in the future, but I'm just going to rock with it right now how it is. It's got a wind reduction noise setting on the GoPro or on the 360 cam, so we'll just see how it goes, guys. The car is going to look so fast with this camera on. It's not that fast though. Every time I see a car with those cameras on though, I'm like, man, that thing's got to be super fast. A lot of people that have those cameras race people and stuff, so hopefully I don't attract too much attention, like unwanted attention by the police. It's just for content creation. No races, guys. No races. No races. Take a nice little drive. It's a beautiful day out again today. Mid-70s, clear skies. Great day to get the car out. You can see the car temps are super low for what it is right now. Excited for this camera, boys. Can't wait to see what the footage is going to be like with this thing. Alrighty, boys, we're back again. Go get some SD cards for this thing and throw this mount on. Not really sure how it connects, but I probably got to clean the surfaces really good. And hopefully it sticks on good and doesn't fall off, because I've seen some horror stories of people with these things falling off and breaks their whole camera, and that would suck. That would really suck. But let's go in. Let's go grab some SD cards for this thing. Decided to pull up in the car wash real quick just to wash the car. Check this out, guys. 666666. It's not a very good number, but I got this from Best Buy. It's a Extreme Plus 512 4K, so it should be compatible. Alright, car's all washed up. I got the 360 cam on the back, as you guys can see. Give you guys some outside clips now while I talk on the video. It's pretty cool. Man, it's gonna be a cool setup. I like this a lot. You can see on my GoPro, I'm switch it, you can see the backup. It's like I have a full 360 view of my car now on the inside of the car. It's pretty sweet. Let me back out of here because I don't like how low this is. Everyone's staring at me like I got 10 heads. truck was freaking out. What are we doing, bruh? Do what makes you happy, guys. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Just waving at somebody. Give me the light. Let me go. Let me go. Alrighty guys, if you guys like these types of videos, please hit that comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you boys in the next video. Peace out boys, thanks for watching.